In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers to ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what ConvertKit is. For those who may not be familiar, ConvertKit is a powerful email marketing tool designed primarily for creators, freelancers, and bloggers who want to grow their email list. Adding subscribers is a crucial part of building your audience, and I'm excited to show you how to do it efficiently. So, what's the first step? You want to log into your ConvertKit account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Creating an account is pretty straightforward. Just head over to their website and sign up with your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll find a clean, user-friendly dashboard that makes it easy to navigate. Now, after you're all set up, look for the Subscribers tab on the left-hand menu. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Subscribers page where you can see all your current subscribers listed. You might notice a button that says Add Subscriber or something similar. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic happens. A form will pop up asking you to enter the details of the subscriber you want to add. Generally, you'll need their email address, first name, and possibly their last name. The more information you gather, the better you can personalize your emails, but keep in mind that just the email address is mandatory. Once you've entered their information, you'll also notice an option to add tags. Tags are a great way to segment your audience. If you're collecting subscribers from different sources, like a freebie, webinar, or a blog post, you might want to tag them accordingly. This way, you can send targeted emails based on the specific interests or actions of your subscribers. For example, you might have tags like webinar signups or ebook downloads. After you're done filling in all the information, look for the Add Subscriber button at the bottom of the form. Click it, and voila! You've just added a new subscriber to your list. Now there are a few more things to keep in mind. If your new subscriber is opted in through a form on your website or another platform, they will automatically be added to your ConvertKit account, provided you have everything set up correctly. To make sure this is happening seamlessly, check if your form is connected to the correct ConvertKit account. Tracking how your subscribers interact with your emails is equally important. Once you start collecting subscribers, you can create segments based on their behavior, like opens and clicks, which helps you tailor your future campaigns. Let's say you sent out an email about a new course, and you see that some subscribers opened it while others didn't. This information is gold. You can follow up with those who didn't open with a different subject line to grab their attention. Customizing your communication like this keeps your audience engaged and helps increase your conversion rates. If you ever need to manage your subscribers, the Subscribers dashboard makes it easy to edit their details. Simply find the subscriber you want to change, click on their name, and you'll be taken to a detailed view. From there, you can update information, remove tags, or even unsubscribe them if necessary. And that's it. You're on your way to building a robust email list using ConvertKit. By adding subscribers effectively and managing their information, you lay the groundwork for successful email marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. Remember, growing your list takes time and effort, but each subscriber is a step closer to achieving your goals. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything related to adding subscribers or using ConvertKit, feel free to leave your questions